This was a high-profile case here in North Carolina in Rowan County where a little girl was brutally murdered by, I believe it was her adopted parents. She was deaf, and her body was dismembered and discarded into a landfill. And, well, that's where they found some of her. She was laid to rest here, her remains. If I'm not mistaken, she was either 11 or 12 when that happened. And I feel like I'm honored to finally get to meet her because I followed this case. And I want to say that I'm really sorry that this happened to you. And that I hope that you have found your peace. Now, if we come over here, Hound, you want to tell everybody what's over here?
Little baby cemetery.
This is the little baby cemetery. Just like Jenny Love has at Indian Springs. This is where the small wee ones are. And they're just little babies. I'm not really sure, Hound, because the dates on those are pretty far apart from birth to death. But these are the babies here. Right here. These are the babies. Sweet babies. Sweet, sweet babies. Sweet babies. Hey, Selena Sue. Yeah. These are the babies. This was a toddler. Right here. Philip Ray Kaiser. These are all the sweet ones. I hope you guys are resting in peace.
Yeah, see, December 5th, 81.
But like I said,
89.
we now, how would you like to tell everybody?
We now have 100% full permission to come and investigate here at night.
And anything that we find is paranormal related,
We are to take to
the ladies because they are really interested in it. And they said they've experienced stuff too. I did not know as many times, but normally we walk through here at night. But I did not know that these were the babies. And they are. And if you look right down here, that's the mausoleums where Mr. Earl and his wife Ruby are at. And I also went up to the office, and they're going to come and fix Mr. Earl's vase and put a brand new one on it. They're going to order it today, and they'll let us know whenever they get it installed. So yay for Mr. Earl and Miss Ruby. All right, well, I guess we're going to go. Let's show the cemetery. And like I told you, that's Erica Parsons' grave.